Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. Today in this episode we will be learning how to sign out of Merge Gardens game. First of all, launch open the Merge Gardens game on your device and make sure you are connected to the internet. Now look for the menu button which is located at the top right corner from the home screen. In the expanded menu, click Settings. Under Settings, select Cloud Save. Now, you'll come across these sign-in methods that you previously signed in with. Look for the Sign Out button and tap on it, and this will log you out of your connected account. Simply go ahead and repeat this process if you entirely want to sign out from all of your accounts that is linked with the game, and you'll be good to go. That is how you sign out of Merge Gardens in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.